Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a video about I don't know, and hey, and we're just going to start right now because I'm too lazy to do anything else, and I have to zoom in really close. Prepare to be amazed. If these don't work on you, then you are strange. No, okay, I'm not reading it. No. I will read your name. Think of a number of 1 through 10. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to pick 6. Double it. 12. Add 10. 22. Take away the number you first thought of reading your mind. Wait, what? Okay. Add 10. Half it. Take it away. Take away the number you first thought of. Alright. What am I supposed to do? Yes, you're right. That's creepy.
Yes.
That's really creepy. How does it get that right? That's not possible. What? How? Alright. 5. This got eye long how look. Now say the word cow after each word. This cow got cow, eye cow, long cow, how cow, look cow. Cow, cow's cow, about cow, talking cow, idiot cow, this cow, got cow, I cow, long cow, how cow, look cow. Now say the word cow before and after each word. Cow, cow's cow, cow, about cow, cow, talking cow, cow, idiot cow, cow, this cow, cow got, sorry, got cow, this cow, cow got cow, cow, I cow, cow, long cow, cow, how cow, look cow, look cow. Now read it backwards without the cow. Look how long I got this idiot talking about cows. You jerk! Oh my god, that's funny. That's really funny. Sorry. Alright. Look how long I got this idiot talking about cows. Read each sentence out loud. I am this cat, I am is cat, I am a how cat, I am two cat, I am keep cat, I am a cat, I am retard cat, I am busy cat, I am 4 cat, I am 40 cat, I am seconds cat, I am funny cat, I am isn't cat, I am its cat. Now read the third word in each sentence. What? Now read the third word in each sentence. It isn't funny. Seconds 40. Wait. This is how to keep a retard busy for 40 seconds. Funny, isn't it? you, dude.
That really don't make any sense to me.
Now read the third word in each sentence. Oh, what is 1 plus 5? What is 1 plus 5? 6. 6. 6. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. Think of a vegetable. Carrot. All right. Scroll down.
Huh. Were you?
Yeah. It said keep saying 6 over and over and over, and then scroll down and then say a vegetable, and now it says you were thinking of a carrot, right?
Oh, James, I hate this one.
I don't care.
Paper.
If you're among 2 of the population whose minds are warped, 98% of the people think of a carrot. Twin Towers, this is scary. Twin Towers thing, this is scary. This is really weird. It's about the Twin Towers. New York City has 11 letters. Afghanistan has 11 letters. Realism uses a terrorist who treated to destroy the Twin Towers in 1993 has 11 letters. George W. Bush has 11 letters. This could be a coincidence. New York is the 11th state. Why? The first plane crashed against the tower was flight number 11. The flight number 11 was carrying 92 passengers. 90 plus 2 equals 11. Flight 77, which also hit the Twin Towers, was carrying 65 passengers. 6 plus 5 equals 11. So much 11s! The tragedy happened on September 11th. Or known as called 9/11. 9 plus 1 plus 1 equals 11. This date is equal to the U.S. emergency number 911. 9 plus 1 plus 1 equals 11. This could be a coincidence here, but read on. The total number of victims in the hijack were 245. 2 plus 4 plus 5 equals 11. September 11th. On the 254th day in the calendar year again, 2 plus 4 plus 5 equals 11. The Madrid bombing took place on 3-11-2004. 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 11. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of 11s. The tragedy of Madrid happened on 911 days before the Twin Towers incident. Now things are getting creepy. The most recognized symbol in the U.S. after the stars and stripes is the eagle. The following verse is taken from a QU. It was in the Halloween. How we looking for its writing soon. Alright, know what? I'm gonna skip all this. I'm tired. Alright guys, that's enough for today's video, and I hope make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you put notifications on so you know exactly when I upload a video, because I never uploaded in 3 days straight, 4 days almost now. And that's all I want to say, folks, and